I tested this beginner scalping strategy on TradingView for 30 days straight, and in this video right here we made 4,689%. I'm going to show you exactly how. And the best part is it is all completely free. So if you want to level up your trading in 2024, hit the like button and let's get straight into the video. So let's get right into the strategy building. Naturally, we will want to start on TradingView. The method that I am about to show you is a scalping strategy. So let's go down to the 5-minute chart. I am on GBP JPY, but this strategy is so good that it will work on any crypto or Forex pair. Now that we're on the 5-minute chart, let's start by adding the first indicator to the strategy. Head up to the community script search, type in Trendoscope and add the RSI Divergence goggles indicator. This one right here to your chart. You'll notice the indicator wasn't added to the chart and you'll get a pop-up instead. And just before I show you how to add it, let me show you why Flux Charts is the best in the business. They wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results. And for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. Flux Charts has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. So let's get back to it. Remember we added this indicator and it only gave us a pop-up? Well, this is actually a very cool feature that this indicator has. Instead, we will need to click 2 points on the chart for it to appear, and these can be changed and moved at any time. Now that we've decided the location of the indicator, we can now change its settings. Double click and open the Inputs tab. From here, we are going to change the RSI length. Because we are trading on the intraday chart, aka the 5-minute chart, let's change the length down from 14 to 9. This will optimize the results for the overall buy-sell trade entries. And now that we have our strategy trigger added, let's look at the next indicator. Head up to the indicators section again, and this time we are going to type in 2 EMA, and we are going to add this one right here by Dr. Sweets. Because this is a smaller time frame scalping strategy, let's focus on the lower EMAs. These are exponential moving averages, and they will help you focus on trending markets with clear visual aid. I've kept the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. You can also change the color to make it more visible. At this point, your chart should now look exactly like mine, so let's use this to plan out how to take trades. Step 1 for this strategy is naturally we want to see a cross in the EMAs. This will signal our change in potential direction, and at this point we wait for price to start moving. Remember, we won't be waiting long at all as this is a lower time frame chart. Next, look down at the divergence indicator. We are going to wait for the divergence label to paint on the chart. Just make sure it is the intended direction for the trending market. And here we can see we have an upward trending market with the green 20 EMA above the 50 red EMA on the chart. Once the label paints and the candle is closed, it will confirm the signal. From here, we can do two things. Once we have entered our 2% risk position, now depending on the position that the label paints, we have two rules. We can either place our stop loss at or just behind the red line, or place it at the most recent swing low. From here, we will be targeting a fixed 3 risk to reward ratio for every single trade that we are going to take. And as we can see, the trade perfectly hit the desired target price, giving us a 6% profit based off the 2% risk per trade. This is a very simple strategy to use. Here is another perfect example of a buy or long position. We have the cross of the 2 EMAs right here, and secondly we have the RSI divergence label paint our confirmation. And finally we can enter the trade here. One massive tip to add would be to only take trades during the recommended market. For example, trading a GBP Forex pair during a London session for the best results on TradingView. And just before I show you the awesome results, let's flip the rules on its head and see the sell trades play out. We'll want to wait again for the 20 EMA cross below the 50. This will lock in the downward trend. Next, we wait, and soon enough the divergence indicator will paint, giving us our sell label. Remember, we only take entry triggers true to trend. Then we place our stop loss at the red line or just behind it, and if price is completely behind it, then we place our stop loss at the closest recent swing high. And finally from there, we target our 3 risk to reward ratio and place the trade. Okay, so I'm now going to show you the awesome results for this strategy so you can see for yourself. Hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment on some awesome ideas that you have for trading. Now look at these results, netting us a massive 4,689% on the account. And in 30 days, we took 127 trades with 82 wins and only 45 losses. Now, it's always important to remember that live trading always gives much harder results because many other factors come into play. And if you aren't yet profitable, it can be hard to manage your psychology. If that's something you struggle with, then I recommend staying on a demo account and focusing on consistently trading every single day for up to 60 to 90 days. But I hope you have enjoyed. Please click the like button if you have, and feel free to check out my personal strategy in the description, but you don't need to. There is plenty of free trading content right here. And if you enjoyed this scalping video, then check out one of these 2 videos right here to improve your skills.